Hello friends, welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. In this session, we will discuss about instruction code. This is the chapter of second computer organization and architecture. Its name is Basic Computer Organization and Design. So, first of all, we will discuss about instruction code. Then, before discussing instruction code, let us define what is program. Program is a set of instruction that specifies the operation, operand and the sequence by which processing has to occur. It means in which operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and many others, and operands means register operand or memory operand. Now let us define what is computer instruction. A computer instruction is a binary code that specifies a sequence of micro operation for the computer. That means, say for one example, I want to perform addition. In performing addition, the basic operation such as first of all fetch the data from register and store in memory. Then this data will execute and our result will store in memory. So the computer reads such each instruction from memory and places it in a control register. As the control then interrupts the binary code of the instruction and proceed to execute it by issuing a sequence of micro operation. Okay, that means when control register fetches the instruction from memory, at that time binary code specifies, and then this binary code will decoded on based of operation which we are required. So this is the computer instruction. Now what is instruction code? An instruction code is a group of bits that instruct the computer to perform a specific operation. It means this is a group of bits in binary coded which instruct the computer to perform a specific operation. For example, add 457. Here add is a operation code and 457 is operand. So what is opcode? Operation code. Operation code of an instruction is a group of bits that define such operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, shift, complement, etc. So this is a opcode, and this opcode is designated by unique binary code. Means any of instruction has a unique binary code which cannot be changed. They are already fixed in computer register whenever computer is designing. Okay, then let us discuss about stored program organization. We had discussed already about program, operation code, instruction code, and etc. term. Now let us discuss about stored program organization. So what is organization of memory and instruction and operand? So here you can see one figure. In this figure we have a memory 4096 cross 16. It means 4096 word, and each word size has a 16 bit. It means 4096 word it can store in this memory, and each word has a 16 bit. Okay. Memory is logically divided in many parts, but here in this system we have divided two types, that is instruction and operand. So you can see what is instruction organization and what is operand. So instruction format is a look like this figure. 0 to 11 it has a address, and then 12 to 15 has a opcode. It means instruction divided in two parts. First one is 0 to 11 address part, and 12 to 15 is opcode. Okay. Then operand, it means data. It is 16 bit binary operand. And then last one, AC, means accumulator. Accumulator, it means processor register of our system or our computer. Okay. Then what is the instruction format of basic computer actually? So our register size is, here we can see 16 bit. So divided into three parts. 0 to 11 is stand for address, 12, 30, 40 is stand for opcode, it means operation code, and the last number, MSB number, 15 bit, is stand for I. I means direct or indirect addressing mode. Here I am given a example. So in this example you can see first 0 to 11 bit is denoted by 0100, 0101, 0111, and the opcode 12, 30, 40 bit 001, and 15 number bit is denoted by 0. It stands for direct or indirect. So my question is, what is direct and what is indirect addressing mode? Direct addressing mode is defined as if the second part of instruction format specifies the address of an operand, the instruction is said to have a direct address. Okay. Here you can see one figure. In this figure, 0 add 457. You can see. Okay. 457 is operand. So its bit is 0 to 11. And add is opcode. So that bit is 12, 30 and 40. And 0 is MSB. MSB means most significant bit, largest bit. It stands for 0 is direct. Here 22 address location Okay, and 457 is our operand. So directly we can say 457 address through we can detect or we can fetch our result through 457 directly operand. So we can say this is a direct addressing mode. And in indirect addressing mode, you can see the MSB bit is stand for 1. 1 means indirect addressing mode. 300 address location, and then 300 address location has a other address location 1350. 1350 has a operand, and then operand data will fetches through accumulator and result will store in accumulator. So this is a difference between direct and indirect addressing mode.